Our first Rollomatic machine was probably 1996. We had started purchasing CNC machines in 1994. And of course, when you're first buying machinery, you have no idea what you're getting into. Is this machine going to do what we need? Is it going to last? Am I going to have all kinds of mechanical issues with it? Once we got the Rollomatics in, it became routine. They would load, unload, and just run. So yeah, that's why Rollomatic, of course, became our #1 machine. We shared a passion for quality, we shared a passion for innovation, we shared a passion for growth, but quality was always up there. We wanted to make sure that the product we made was of the best quality more consistently than anyone else. One of our taglines, CNC first, which means customers' needs come first. And you'll see that out in the plant. Everyone is truly devoted to it and they have a passion for it. It's ingrained in our philosophy and in the culture that we have here. And we definitely share that with Rollomatic.
We really found that Rollomatic's quality really helped us to grow as a company and serve our customers. So through the years, they've only improved. If you pick up the phone and you need help, they're there. You know, they're there answering you either by email or voice. And if you need a technician, they're willing to send one down as quick as possible.
They're never just going to throw you out there and say, hey, you take care of this. They're right by your side and they will work with you and they will fight with you and they will overcome any challenge with you.
Rollomatic machines are the best machines I have worked with. They are one of the reasons that Mastercut is where it's at today.
Their service and support is great. I have personal relationships with most of the guys there. They've been great. They're always ready to help.
With Rollomatic, we can run different type of tools without any restriction.
We really developed our process around mainly the Rollomatic machines. I mean, as you can see, there's lots of them. So a lot of our thought process and a lot of our machining processes, wheel pack design is based on the Rollomatic design.
The reason I like working on Rollomatics is they are very efficient. Their software is user-friendly. The tools that we produce, they have to be in very tight tolerance, and the machines always delivers that. Rollomatic support is great. And this is another reason that we like working with Rollomatics, because they value their customers.
Rollomatic has helped us quite a bit grow in the technology side of things. I mean, we used to have machines that were very manual, very little automation. These days, everything is automatic, self-measuring systems. We're able to run machines for weeks at a time without touching them. So automation has come a long way with Rollomatic. It's made our job much easier.
We look at our suppliers as part of the Mastercut family. Rollomatic is a great example. We have so many of their machines, and their engineering staff has always been there to help us. And we know that, we appreciate that. Rollomatic is an important part of our business.